Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Waukoloa Bluff, local and long distance movers near me. Have you finally decided to move out of your small village, Waukoloa, and your new home is located miles away? Hire a moving company to make your relocation process a lot easier. Moving companies have all the experience needed to make the move stress free. 3 Movers is a moving company that ensures you reach your new place safe and sound. By hiring us, you can rely on us for all the packing, loading, and transporting of your belongings, while you can focus on other important things. While local moves pose fewer challenges and stress, it is still recommended not to do it alone. Loading and lifting things is not a one person job. Instead, you will need moving services from a top notch moving company like 3 Movers. You will surely find our moving quotes the most reliable and affordable. Our local movers can handle everything from packing to sending your belongings to your new home. Our trained staff will make your move hassle free. A move which would take you one day to complete, we will take care of in just a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Waukoloa Bluff moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.